In today's video, we are tackling the question how to withdraw from Cryptomania. And this is a strange one. It's been coming in different forms. Is Cryptomania a scam? Why can't I get my money from Cryptomania? I think there's a misunderstanding as to what Cryptomania is because it's a trading simulator. It is, in all essence, a game. So you can't withdraw from it because it's not a trading platform. That reward that you got upon entering the app, it's part of the game. It does clearly state that it is a trading simulator. So for people to be saying it's a scam, for people to be writing articles about it being a scam just seems odd. Now, there has been some confusion with people not understanding why they can buy things then in Cryptomania. And when I say things, I'm talking specifically about a premium version. Cryptomania has ads. Like many apps on the App Store or Play Store, you can pay to have those ads removed, aka the premium version. Free ads, paid, no ads. That's it. So there is no way to withdraw from Cryptomania because Cryptomania is not a trading platform. It is a game. It's a trading simulator. Sorry if I'm hounding on this for too long. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing for more helpful information, and I'll see you in the next video.